Let's learn with Coco and Crew.
Hi friends, it's me Coco. Today we are going to meet some amazing wild animals. Are you ready? Let's go on a jungle adventure. This is a lion, the king of the jungle, roar. Here's an elephant, big ears, long trunk. This is a tiger, strong and fast. This is a bear, big and furry. Here's a kangaroo. It hops, hop, hop. Here's a wolf. It howls, a woo. This is a cheetah, the fastest runner. Here's a crocodile. Snap, snap with its jaws. This is a hippo. Loves the water. Here's a rhino. It has a big horn. This is a leopard, spotted and strong. Here's a fox, clever and quick. Here's a gorilla, strong and mighty. Here's an ostrich, the biggest bird, but it can't fly. Here's a sloth. It moves very, very slowly. This is a porcupine. It has sharp quills. Here's a moose. It has big antlers. This is a bison, strong and powerful. Here's a chimpanzee, smart and playful. Wow, we learned so many wild animals today. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun with Coco and Crew. Bye-bye.
That was excellent. See you next time, Crew. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.